Hello everyone, this is Dira Saha and you are watching my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today my topic is very useful and very knowledgeable and very informative for everyone. And if you find this content very useful and knowledgeable, please do share with your near and dear ones. Today my topic is how to deep clean the mattress. This topic is very useful for our general health condition, and it is very compulsory to deep clean the mattress if any member of your family has been suffering from communicable diseases like tuberculosis, covid, or AIDS, any type of deadly diseases which are communicable, which means which is transferred from one place to one person to another. In that case, you have to deep clean the mattress because germs might remain in the mattress. And if any member of your family has been suffering from long term disease and has been using that mattress, in that case also it is necessary to deep clean the mattress. And if you have an infant at your home, it is also necessary to deep clean the mattress. And if you have a dust allergic patient at the home, in that case also it is compulsory to deep clean the mattress time to time. So without much before starting the video, I would like to say that this method is just to make your mattress germ free. And for stain removing, there is another method, another technique that I will show you later in my later videos. Today I will show you how to disinfect or deep clean the mattress and make your mattress germ free or disinfected it. So let's start the video. This is my mattress, and before starting this treatment, first all of you just open your windows and doors so that the dust will not remain inside your room. And wear a mask. And first of all, you need a stick like this, long stick like this. Take a stick, okay, and you have to beat it all over your mattress, okay, so that whatever the dust is there, it will remove from the mattress. After that, if you have a brush, then it's okay. And this is my broom. I usually use to dust the room only, bed only. Like this broom, you take out and wipe out all the dust from the mattress. After that, you take one ball. You need a baking soda. I have already done this clean the mattress. I'm just showing you demonstration how to do it. I'm just taking it. I have already done it. I'm just showing you demonstration. Take it. I'm taking the Dettol here. Okay. Pour it here. You have to take it in large quantity because I have already done it. I'm just showing you demonstration how to do it. This method is just to kill the disinfect the mattresses, okay. This method is not to remove the stains, okay. For removing stains there is another procedure, okay. In this season it is not I don't advise you to do that process, okay. When full summer came, then you can use that method. This is just like this way you have to do, and you have to spread this mixer all over the mattresses. Like this way you have to mix it all over it. Like this way you have to mix it all over it, okay. And after mixing it on the mattress, okay, you have to keep it for half an hour, okay. After half an hour, again you have to take a broom or any brush. You have to take a broom or any brush, okay, and you have to wipe out all the baking powder from the mattresses. This is the best method to kill the germs and infection from the mattress. Okay, and after that, if you have a sanitizer, okay, just take a sanitizer and you have to spread it all over the mattress like this way. In this way, your mattress is totally germ free. Okay,